Hi, and welcome to Tiki71. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Katie.
Here you'll find videos on tropical gardening beyond your zone,
vegetable gardening, and how to build your own nice greenhouse,
how to build a full-size patio tiki bar,
and every tiki bar needs a porthole too. We'll show you how.
old hardy palm tree growing.
We'll also show you some great time-saving tool tips using automated cabana boys.
We're also going to be doing a Tiki Tuesday live stream once we figure out how to do the streaming thing on the YouTubes. But we'll be answering your questions and answers and showing you some of our favorite tiki drinks.
And Jungle Jerry here will be editing and uploading a weekly vlog just to kind of show you what we're up to.
So make sure you hit that subscribe button like a bad bongo drum, and be sure and click the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when we upload new stuff. Kule Maluna!